Alright guys, here we're looking at a custom grill. This is a 4 top teeth, and it's gold plated over 925 sterling silver. Now this one here has the gold diamond dust, as you can see there. Here's the back side. Okay, now these are custom fitted, handmade for a perfect fit. Check that out. This is a 4 tooth, but you can do 6 tooth, 8 tooth, 10 teeth. It's up to you. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com. Okay, now you get a free mold kit. You also get free shipping in the US. Beautiful grills, very nice work. Check us out, guys. blingcartel.com. There it is, guys. Thanks for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.